All right, welcome to day 5 of our series, calling all operations directors, welcome to the explainer. Today, we're tackling a massive headache in the supply chain world, and we're going to look at exactly how you can stop stockouts dead in their tracks using AI.
Okay, let's dive into this. I really want you to think about your current setup for a second. Are stockouts literally ruining your operations? I mean, just how much pain, lost revenue, and sheer frustration is disconnected inventory causing your supply chain right now? If you're still relying on manual checks and outdated spreadsheets, well, you already know the answer to that.
But hey, there is absolutely a light at the end of the tunnel here. A recent Microsoft study actually revealed that businesses are reporting a 1% to 10% reduction in supply chain costs simply by utilizing Copilot AI. That is a massive operational saving just waiting to be unlocked. Now, hearing numbers like that, you might be super tempted to just go build a quick fix yourself. Which brings us to section 1, the DIY illusion, a 4-step build. It's so tempting to think you can just build a basic Copilot agent right now to read your guidelines and just be done with it. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly why it's so tempting. Just look at this interface. This is the simple Copilot agent creation screen. It looks incredibly easy, right? You literally just describe the agent you want into a chat box, almost like you're talking to a colleague. In fact, you can break the whole DIY process down into 4 rapid steps. Step 1, open Copilot. Step 2, instruct it to act as your inventory manager. Step 3, attach your stock requirement documents. And step 4, hit publish. Bam, done. It sounds like an incredibly easy, instantaneous fix for any operations team, doesn't it? But here's where we pivot. Section 2, the OMNIai pivot and danger, when simple isn't enough. I really need you to listen closely here, because while that 4-step build is neat, static documents simply will not solve real-world dynamic supply chain shifts. Let's compare the two realities for a second. On the left, you've got your standard out-of-the-box M365 Copilot. It's great, for sure, but it relies heavily on your internal static documents. On the right, though, you have true predictive inventory modeling. That requires constant communication with external APIs and live databases, things that standard M365 Copilot just kind of can't access on its own. And that right there is the critical technical gap. It's the inability of that out-of-the-box Copilot to independently connect to live external vendor portals and your complex ERP systems. And here's exactly why that DIY approach is so dangerous. If your AI cannot see the live vendor data updating by the second, it absolutely cannot prevent a stockout. It's practically flying blind. So what is the solution? Section 3, the outcome. Custom Copilot Studio agents by OMNIai. This is exactly where you bring in an enterprise-grade partner. So the crucial point is perfectly captured in their own philosophy. To quote OMNIai directly here, you're not buying AI, you're buying speed, consistency, and execution. As an operations director, you don't need a flashy chatbot. You need tangible results and flawless execution. And you know what? That is exactly what they deliver. Custom Copilot Studio agents designed and integrated by OMNIai provide secure access to your external data hubs. They give you live inventory tracking. They generate truly actionable forecasts, and they feature seamless ERP integration with systems like SAP or Salesforce. Actually, scratch the idea of them just being software tools. They act as highly capable digital employees, specifically tailored for your unique supply chain workflows. Which brings us to our final section. Scale your operations securely. Next steps. It's time to take some definitive action. If this explainer opened your eyes to what's really possible, please take a quick moment to like, share it with a business colleague, and subscribe to the channel at OMNIai UK. Just look for the main OMNIai logo for more detailed insights on deploying AI agents as your new digital employees. So I'm going to leave you with this provocative thought. Are you going to let another stockout completely derail your month? Or are you ready to scale your operations securely? Don't wait around on this one. Click the link below the explainer right now to book your 15-minute agent fit call. Let's turn your business into an intelligent, self-improving machine today.